Hi techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use StandBy on your iPhone. You see, with StandBy, you can use it to turn your iPhone into a bedside clock, a display for viewing widgets, and more. To do this, go into Settings, then scroll down and click StandBy and turn it on. And make sure it's turned on. Now connect iPhone to a charger and set it down on its side, keeping it stationary, just like this. Then it will automatically transition into it. Now swipe left or right to switch between widgets, phones, and clocks. Swipe up or down to scroll between options for each of these views. That looks real cool, isn't it? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And keep standing by.